PingSunday has the special permission of Coach Chen Kangning. Please don't upload the video without the permission of Coach Chen and PingSunday.
Aim for the left foot. Are you stepping back into position after serving? No problem. But once you aim for the left foot, then follow through with the step. Do you understand the step? After serving, step back into position. You're moving towards the yonex side, right? Go for the attack, but don't lose your balance. What's your current status? You actually didn't aim for the left foot, right? Why should you aim for the left foot like this? Aren't you generating more power? Otherwise, how will you lift your foot? How do you aim properly? Aren't you using more power in your shoulder? Counteract a little bit. Step back. Are you stepping smoothly according to the situation, see? Step smoothly. Find a certain feeling. The feeling of tightening your neck. Look, isn't it short? Hit the ball in front of your chest and cut towards your chest. When cutting towards the chest, when you feel it's about to touch your chest, tighten it a bit. Short, definitely compact. It must be compact. Tighten a bit. Tighten your neck. Step forward. You send it out. When it reaches the chest position, tighten it along the way. Very good, huh? Is there a lifting feeling? Even for a side underswing. Actually, I can hit the chest area. Lift a bit. It's a side underswing. When hitting the chest area, lift a bit. Great, now it's compact, isn't it? Ah, it's a loop. This is a long push against the opponent, right? Side top. Side under. These two landing spots complement each other. Is it the farthest end of the table? A backhand deep baseline shot. A forehand short placement that curves towards the corner. Make him hesitate. Then these two spots are set. Serve towards the backhand sideline. It's a bit awkward. Have you noticed when my ball lands, it's right on the edge? At this moment, is he twisting or not? It's not a loop either. Because of whether it's in or out. It lands perfectly on the edge, okay. Long ball. I think the first thing is speed. Unless your opponent is spin blind. No matter how slow you serve, as long as there's some spin variation. If he can't handle the variation, then you can ignore speed. If it's not like that, I think the first thing for a long ball is speed. Letting them easily push you around. Do you think you still have a chance? There's no chance, right? So the first thing with long balls, no matter what you serve, whether it's topspin or chop, you must first have speed. The left-handed backhand, he practices. Is it faster for him to flick or push? The way he skims both sides of the paddle is the best. Why? Is his most practiced routine like this? This is his most practiced routine, so when he plays with his left hand, if you try to flick him when receiving serve, I suggest that you deliberately flick lightly. Do you understand? Not hitting the right spot resulted in that. Because he's not used to it. Why is his most practiced reflex? Practicing every day is what it is. He serves and you flick. Then you quickly skim the ball to the spot, right? Then you push the ball to the spot, right? You see, many high-level players. Isn't their left hand using the same routine? If you flick, unless it's a very sudden flick, normally, he will follow the rhythm very smoothly. Why is he so skilled at it? Put him in an awkward position, and then suddenly you can't reach his backhand. Then he'll be too comfortable. It's all reflex for him. He's already prepared for you. So when you aim for his backhand, when you try to put topspin on the ball, don't just flick suddenly. You can flick with medium strength, or flick at him on his backhand side behind his body. Make him feel awkward. In this way, you will disrupt his entire plan for that section. He serves and he'll beat you with his eyes closed. Right? When you play against a left-handed player, you won't be able to win. Right, you need to understand this thing. When you're stepping forward, your elbow isn't extending out. I have one thing more than you. You're twisting like this. Is your hand in front? My elbow is in front. When I go up, look, even though you extended your hand is still in front. Is your hand in front? Who is in front? The elbow. Where did your hand go? As the elbow extends out, naturally, it goes to the right of the navel, right? It goes towards your body. Right. How do you twist then? You can step up, but that will never produce quality. When stepping forward, extend the elbow. Use this to improve what? A better hitting distance. At the same time, also able to generate more power. Right? Is this the feeling, and not so?
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.